Never leave the house without my banger residing in New Orleans. I ain't product of the thing.
What's up, YouTube? This your boy Nolan Pride. Today, like I said, we doing a top 5 handguns under $500. Boom, we had Apocalypse Sports and Ponchatoula. You heard me? We all the way up. Stop playing. Come on. All right, boom. We have top 5 handguns that's under $500 on the table right here. I appreciate Apocalypse Sports for supporting these guns for me. And further ado, let's get to the video. So, boom, we have the 22 long rifle Walter Colt. It holds 10 plus 1 in the chamber, so you get 11. And this price starting at $439. Moving on to number 2. We have the M&P 22. This will hold 10 also, plus 1, so you get 11. And this price starting at $399. Now we have the Taurus revolver, 38. It holds 5. And this price is starting at $399 also. This is one of the hottest guns that's out right now on side of the Taurus. This is the Canic. This one hold 18 plus 1, so you get 19. And this is a 9mm. And this price is $399 also. Not bad. And last but not least, you got a 40 cal Glock for all you Glock fans out there. Glock 27 40 cal. This one hold 9 plus 1, so you're gonna get 10. And this one at $475. So I appreciate all the love support you guys give me. We have all 5 handguns right here. We're gonna start off with the Winter Colt 1911.
And Ruger just 22.
All these guns is empty. You're not running anything in these guns. It's 10 round mag. It's a 22 long rifle right here. I'm gonna rack it back. So the Winter Colt, it comes with a one side safety for the right-handed people, and it also comes with a back thumb safety. So you can push it down, and it comes with a decocker also. So to release this up, you have to press the trigger, push it down, and slowly release it up. That's how you do that. It comes with a 4-rail slot, so you can put your laser light combo on it, and it's chambered in 22, and its price is $439. Can't beat it. We have the Sweet Smith & Wesson MP Shield. This is chambered in 22. It comes with a 10 round magazine. It comes with double safety. It comes with a nice rail slot. Rack it back, make sure to lock it back. And it comes with a nice little grip. Can't beat it for the price. $399, you get your Sweet Smith & Wesson MP Shield. 22, chambered in 22. There we go. Alright. Moving on to the Taurus revolver. Chambered in 380. Come with 5. This is something that you could keep in your car and everything. Price is around $399, straight in the hand. Something that you could just have in your collection, right? Under $500, $399. Can't beat it. Come with a nice little sight right there, little on sight. See it? It's good. For all you revolver people out there, you trying to get into a revolver, I feel like this is a great start. This Taurus revolver. $399. Now, this is the Canic right here. Release the magazine. Comes with 18 round magazine, 1 in the chamber, so it holds 19. So right here, it comes with a nice finish on it. The furniture look good on it. Release it. Comes with a nice rail slide grip, and it comes with a decock also. So you press this button right here. You see this button? You press it, and this indicator gonna show that it's not in there. Show you guys.
How's it going?
called a decock.
Got a day off from work.
It comes with, it doesn't come with a thumb safety. It comes with a trigger safety. Right here. Comes with a 3-rail slot for your laser light combo on it. And this Canic is running $399. So this is right on side the Taurus G2C G2C and the Z3. The Canic. We got the Glock 27. This is 40 cal, so we have a mag is have 9 plus 1, so you get 10. Glock 27, very subcompact. You might want to get your extension for the pinky. You got big hands, your pinky might be falling off. Just get your peak extension on the Glock 27, 40 cal. Can't beat for you Glock fans out here for the Glock 27 for this price. $474. $475, excuse me. Can't beat it. It's good.
Sales.
I appreciate Popular Sports for giving me 5 handguns to show you guys 5 handguns under $500. It's your boy No Limit Pride. I appreciate all the support. And like I said, we're all the way up. Boom.
Prime money at. Prime money at. Prime money. Back at the head like clippers, I don't cut here. Once you show me how you coming, then it's up there. I'm in the field with mine, you play with mine, then it's stuck there. Been trendsetting like Busy with the tuck tellers. Pulled the hamstring, got a check and ran it up there. Grinding this a must, he's a diamond in the rough there. He thinking it's a walk now, I'ma leave him stuck there. Demons in my attic, I can hear him upstairs. All this weight on my shoulders like a body build. I'm the first making everybody real. Access is the only way that I acknowledge real. Prime money, we cut real like $2 bills. We was last, that's the past, don't know how to feel. So without shows, nigga, I don't even got a deal. Prime how I supposed to go, you tell me how I'm supposed to know. You putting hoes before the door, I sweat it like a knowledge kills. Paying this era where it's like silver dollar bills. That's when they body gon' repeat, that's just how we live. Paying this era where it's like silver dollar bills. That's when they body gon' repeat, that's just how we live. I been that nigga, tell him stop playing. Turn your bitch into a top plan. Tell her hater this was God plan. All my niggas with me and they not playing. I been that nigga, tell him stop playing. Turn your bitch into a top plan. Tell her hater this was God plan. All my niggas with me and they not playing. Keep a thick lip dot, booty big as a dipper pot. Whole game straight like 6 o'clock. Only switch your rides, never switch your sides. Ain't know it's prime time, you need a different watch. Worldwide hustle, you just pick a spot. Been about money since I was playing nigga not. I love them bitches, I can trust them like a friendly cop. She twerking on me just last night, she was with the eye. I been a vet, tell them niggas I'm a threat. No Instagram, I'm at their neck until they give me my respect. I been a vet, tell these niggas I'm a threat. No Instagram, I'm at their neck until they give me my respect. I been that nigga, tell them stop playing. Turn your bitch into a top fan. Tell her hater this is God plan. All my niggas with me and they not playing. I been that nigga, tell them stop playing. Turn your bitch into a top fan. Tell her hater this is God plan. All my niggas with me and they not playing. Drop it, make it jiggle. I love the way you wiggle. Bend it over, touch your toes, and bring it up a little. I say drop it, make it jiggle. I love the way you wiggle. Bend it over, touch your toes, and bring it up a little for prime. Prime money yet.